are we in? What are we in, hon?
Buzz Lightyear.
Whoa!
Rendezvous at Planet C. I will remain here at Star Command coordinating the mission.
Who's that?
Buzz Lightyear.
Standard presenting more trouble at Center 9. That nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Sir.
All right, thank you. Well, you're gonna dilly dally. We made it. Sit back.
I almost didn't make it.
Sit back. Relax. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, you in charge of spinning or me?
I am.
All right, there we go. What is that over there?
Disengage autopilot. You've got the stick, Space Rangers.
Oh, we got the stick. Whoa! Gotta shoot, gotta shoot. Please, you gotta aim us there so we can hit things. Please, you gotta aim us so we can hit things. Okay. I can't tell what I'm shooting at. Aim. Okay, please, you know we have to move left and right. Please, over there. See the stuff behind us?
Yeah, but I'm not very good at driving.
You are. You see?
You're gonna be more smart than I am.
I can't hit anything. You're not aiming at. You gotta aim the car. You gotta aim the car. Please, you gotta aim the car. Please, you have to aim the car. Please, you gotta aim the car. Thank you. Okay, now, okay, Lise, you're now aiming at the wall. Why can't we aim? Turn around. All right, so Lise, this is giving up steering.
Yeah, I'm giving up.
Okay, you guys are gonna have to steer for us.
Cars, save them, and their little baby friends too.
I don't know what I'm getting.
Intruders. Cars, save them.
Oh, my hand is tired. My hand is tired. I can't shoot anything. I can't shoot anything. Aim for the bottom one. Aim for the bottom one. Aim for the bottom one. Oh, I missed them all. You're not steering anymore, huh? Okay. All right, that's it. Get the last one over there. Shoot all the way through those people. Shoot through the people. Shoot through the people. Shoot through the people. Okay.
Yeah, you won.
How did I win? You were destroying me. Oh, get ready. Get ready. Shoot the. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy.
I'm getting busy here.
Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot him. Can we get more? points. Yeah, we can still get points. We can still get points. Yay. I can just sit here and aim at that thing way over in the distance. I'm getting 100 points every time I hit that one thing way over in the distance there. My hand is so working out. Alright. Oh, flashing. Flashing in our eyes. Oh, flashing in the eyes. Flashing in the eyes again. Oh, flash.
Joystick disabled. Joystick disabled.
Alright, what's the scores? Wow.
You guys pay attention on this.
Alright, 28. Okay, I got Planet Pilot. Yay!
And I got Space Scout. I got 15,000.
Alright, get ready. Yay, we gotta get out. Anytime, please. Today. Keep going, Lisa. Keep going, Lisa. Yay! Woohoo! We're out of here. Hey, Lisa. Let's get over. Photo pass. What do you think?
Cool.
Oh, you're gonna zap your armband? There it is. Right there. Right there. Red. Yay! Right there, Elise. Oh my goodness. She likes it, but she's confused.
I'm confused.
That's you and me.
Oh, cool.
All right. Bye.